Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom's Curry Pot. If you are someone who loves crispy, homemade snacks that can be made ahead of time, then today's recipe is perfect for you. Today, I am sharing my way of making chicken cutlets, super crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside, and packed with delicious spices and tender shredded chicken. This is my homemade style and it always turns out perfect for evening snacks, parties, or even lunch boxes. The best part is, you can make these cutlets in advance and freeze them for up to 2 months. Whenever you feel like having them, simply thaw, fry, and serve hot and fresh. So, let's get started with this easy and make ahead friendly recipe. Let's begin with our delicious chicken cutlet recipe. Heat a kadai on medium flame and add 800 grams of boneless chicken. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2.5 cups of water. Give it a gentle mix, close the lid and let it cook until the chicken is soft and fully done. You can also use chicken with bone too, but in that case, boil it first and debone it. After some time, open the lid and you will see the chicken is nicely cooked and tender. Carefully remove the pieces and strain them. Once the chicken cools down, shred the chicken pieces and keep them aside for later use. Next, in a pressure cooker, add around 700 grams of potatoes and boil them until they are fully cooked. Once done, allow the cooker to depressure naturally. Then, peel the potatoes, mash them well and keep it aside. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, add half cup of chopped garlic, quarter cup of chopped ginger, a few chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup of chopped curry leaves and 2 large finely chopped onions. Saute everything and cook until the onions turn soft and transparent. At this stage, add salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of spicy chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoons each of Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala powder, fennel seeds powder, and black pepper powder. Mix everything well and cook until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now add the shredded chicken and combine everything thoroughly. Next, add the mashed potatoes and mix again until everything is well combined. Check the seasoning and adjust if anything is required. Finally, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. Now, let's prepare the coating for the cutlets. In a bowl, take around 4 eggs and beat them nicely, then keep it aside. In another bowl, add some breadcrumbs for coating. By now, the chicken mixture has cooled down, so let's start shaping the patties. Take a portion of the mixture and roll it into your preferred shape. I am making them in a round shape. Once shaped, dip each patty into the egg mixture. Then coat it evenly with the breadcrumbs. For a double coating, repeat the same process once again. And now our chicken cutlets are ready to be fried. Heat a pan on medium flame and add enough oil to fry the cutlets. You can either deep fry or shallow fry as you prefer. Once the oil is hot, gently place the cutlets into the pan and fry them on both sides until they turn crispy and golden brown. Once done, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Serve hot and enjoy with your favorite dip or sauce. And that's it. Our chicken cutlets are ready. Just look at them. See how beautiful, golden and tempting they are. So crispy on the outside and soft, flavorful inside. Absolutely irresistible. Do try this recipe my way, and remember, you can always make a big batch and freeze them for up to 2 months. Just thaw, fry and enjoy whenever you are craving something delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom's Curry Pot for more easy homemade dishes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.